In this tutorial, I will explain how to install Elementor page builder that we can do it in two ways. First one, we Elementor page, what you are seeing now on the screen, what I am scrolling down. So you need to press the free download, enter your email address, press subscribe download, and should come up the windows with saying save file, and we're gonna press OK. After that, you need to go to your WordPress website, and then you need to log in on your dashboard. Go to the plugins section and add new one, and you see the button upload plugin, and press browse, find the in download section Elementor, select, press open, and press install now. And as you see, installing plugin from uploaded file, and you can see translation updated successfully. And you need to press activate plugin, and you're gonna get the Windows getting started, create your first page, get full guide. You can watch the video about how to use it. We recommend you to watch 2 minutes getting started video. I'm gonna switch it off, and if you're gonna go to the plugins, you can see Elementor is already installed. I'm gonna uninstall, so you're gonna need to press deactivate, select its temporary deactivation, submit and deactivate, and I'm gonna delete. Okay, and other way is press add new, and in a search plugins section type Elementor and press enter, and you would see Elementor page builder, and press install now, and after installed press the button activate, and you see the same getting started the Windows. I just gonna press on the X button, and if you're gonna go to the plugins, you will see Elementor is installed. Thank you for watching, and you are ready to go.